backs against, and there are three entity defendants, VHS. Not sure why we're getting feedback right now. Three entity defendants, VHS of Arrowhead, Envision Healthcare, and Sheridan Children's Healthcare Services. Also two individual defendants, Jean Min and Dr. Gonzalez. Let me have first counsel for the plaintiffs.
Good morning, Your Honor. Anup Pateja on behalf of the plaintiffs.
Thank you, Mr. Pateja. Nice to see you. And then, Mr. McLaren, would you like to announce on behalf of VHS?
Yes, Your Honor. Jeffrey McLaren on behalf of VHS of Arrowhead, doing business as a Brazo Arrowhead Hospital.
Thank you, counsel. Nice to see you. Ms. Cullen.
Yeah, Nicole Cullen for defendants Jean Min, NNP, and Dr. Marco Gonzalez.
All right. And do we have anyone for either Envision or Sheridan?
I believe that's also Ms. Cullen.
Ms. Cullen, is that correct?
Yes, yes, I believe so. Yes.
Well, counsel.
Well, I was actually just looking at that issue. This is not my case technically, but I was looking at some of the documentation. At first it was uncertain, but I think it appears, yes, we do represent those entities.
Okay. All right. That's what we will show for today's record. If there is an issue with that, please let us know so that we can amend it later.
Yes.
Before the court is the plaintiff's July 2nd notice of filing order granting relief from the automatic stay. And candidly, counsel, when I went back through the docket to review for today's hearing, I didn't actually see the notice of the stay being entered. I'm not even sure which of the entity or individual defendants had declared bankruptcy. Can someone clarify that for me?
Yes, Your Honor, I can help unless
Thanks.
Mr. Pateja. I believe Envision went through a bankruptcy and a reorganization, and there was, it is the ultimate parent of Sheridan and the ultimate employee or the ultimate owner of the employers of the individual defendants. And so there's an issue of a stay related to that.
Okay, so that was an 11?
Yes, I believe so. I wasn't a party, I wasn't involved, but I believe it was an 11 over your.
Okay.
And I
Mr.
believe
Pateja, would you like,
has
I mean, it was,
obtained relief, limiting Envision's potential exposure to its insurance policy. But I will defer to plaintiff on that.
okay. Thank you, Mr. McLaren. Mr. Pateja?
Yeah, generally that's accurate. Envision was the named debtor in the estate. They did file for bankruptcy. There was an automatic stay at issue. We moved to lift the stay to proceed with this case, and that's where we are now.
Okay. So, Mr. Pateja, have you had a chance to chat with defense counsel about what next? I think looking back in the fall of last year, an amended complaint had been filed. I think it had been served on perhaps several of the defendants, but where from here?
Well, I think, Your Honor, what needs to happen next is we just need to have a scheduling order in place, and then we can go ahead and proceed with discovery. The plaintiffs did serve some discovery requests back last year, I think in the fall.
Okay.
I don't think that we have responses to those requests because I think the stay issue came up in the interim. I think that's where we ought to start, is just getting a scheduling order in place. Certainly counsel can work together to the extent that the court would like us to do so and submit a proposed order.
Okay. We're working with the three of you. I'm not at all worried about you setting the early meeting, working out a proposed scheduling order, filing the joint report, and we can go from there. Mr. McLaren, was there anything else you wanted to add to what Mr. Pateja had to say?
No, I think we just need to I think the parties need to get together and see where we left off, so to speak, and get some deadlines in the court and get the show back on the road.
Good deal. Ms. Cullen, on behalf of your clients?
Yes, that was my understanding of the intent going forward, is to set new deadlines.
All right. So Cordelia, for the minute entry, we will show following discussion with counsel. It is ordered that the parties will meet and confer regarding the submission of a proposed scheduling order for this matter following the lifting of the automatic stay in bankruptcy. Counsel, you all know how I work. If you need me, something comes up, feel free to reach out directly to the division, but you're all capable lawyers, so I will let you get back to work and we will take it from here. So for now, we are adjourned. Thank you all. Nice to see you again.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Bye now.